How to fix lots of the fallen controller or gamepad not working on PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to troubleshoot a non-responsive controller. So follow the steps. First of all, you have to disconnect and reconnect the controller and then restart your PC. If that does not work, open Steam, and if you don't have it, download and install it. Then non-Steam users should add the game to the Steam by selecting it as a non-Steam game. And once added, go to the Steam settings, click on the controller tab, and then select the general controller settings and choose your controller type and calibrate it. Next, try identifying and calibrating the controller. If the issue persists, launch the big picture mode from the Steam and go to the library and select the problematic game, click on manage game, and then navigate to the controller options. In Steam input per game settings, experiment with turning on or off the forced options, and if you're playing a non-Steam game, right-click on the game in your library and select properties. Then disable the Steam input for the controller, and if the problem continues, repeat the right-clicking process and enable the Steam input and try relaunching the game again. And if none of these methods work, consider downloading additional software such as PS Controller or DS4 Windows or Xbox Controller or Xbox accessories. You can find the download links in the description, or you can just go in the internet and search for it. So this way you can easily solve the problem of lots of the fallen controller or gamepad not working on PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.